right, folks, I'm going to talk you through a walkthrough of the boat site today. I've got issues with my sound track, so that didn't work out. You probably noticed that for the boat trip today as well. The site is a really beautiful site. You can see I already cut some firewood and nice big stools there to set on. Beautiful big pines, nice walk-through path to what I call the back bay. We're walking along that right now, and you'll soon see a view of the beautiful cliffside across the bay. There you can see it. Beautiful site, and kayaks and canoes could come in on that back side. It's a little shallow. I probably could do it. But the site itself is almost park-like. It was really pretty. And a little breezy that day. You can see there's a box toilet, sign for that. And then we'll walk back where I was able to cut some firewood. Nice big pines. I'm not sure how far the path goes back along the edge of the lake, but I walked back far enough to find a big pine tree that was downed, I think probably by lightning, and was able to take quite a bit of firewood off that, and really good quality firewood at that, because it was a big pine tree, so should burn really well. You can see there through the woods, there's the big pine tree that's been knocked down. And you can see there's a lot of limbs already been removed. So people have been using it for firewood for quite a while. And I was able to cut considerable firewood off of it, and made several trips back and forth because it's a fair walk from where the fire ring is. Here we are coming back to the boat. So we'll prepare and probably do a little drone flying here this afternoon, and hopefully a fire tonight. So we'll talk to you later.